Is your computer a mess and clogged up with clutter? When you need a document, can you find it easily, or do you spend ages frustratedly searching? Are you constantly bombarded with notifications, messages, buzzes, bleeps and flashing lights? Are you running out of storage on your phone, tablet or laptop? Are your devices full of rubbish you don't want, didn't ask for and don't need? Perhaps you know you should unsubscribe from mailing lists, but you're afraid you might miss something, so your inbox is overloaded with emails from Groupon, etc. What would happen to your precious photos if you dropped your phone down the toilet, or your laptop got stolen, or one of your devices got a virus? Do you even know where all your photos are? I'm Rachel Papworth from Green and Tidy, the online professional organiser. I liberate busy people from the shackles of clutter so you get peace of mind and achieve your goals. I've helped thousands of people like you who are fed up with feeling overwhelmed to get organised. By the end of this course, you'll have an empty inbox and be able to keep it that way. You'll have cleared all that digital junk and organised your photos, videos, music and other files and folders so that you can always find what you need when you need it. Your data will be safe so you can recover it if the worst happens, and you'll be able to get rid of old technology without fear of losing something precious or your data falling into the wrong hands. If you're overwhelmed by digital clutter, if you're desperate to be free of it but you don't know how to tackle it, if you long to be the boss of your technology rather than the other way round, this course is for you. Watch the free preview lectures now, or simply enroll and get stuck in.